Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana pushed higher, and in yesterday's video I first of all showed you the resistance area, which goes all the way up to 21.51, which we've reached now, and the descending trend line. And we talked about it is actually quite likely to see Solana retrace and pull back to the trend line, and this is the decision point. Because if Solana now can push a little bit higher, break above the 21.51 resistance, and break above the descending trend line, it would be a good indication that we have bottomed already. If we have bottomed already in our trend reversal area, then we will not get that fifth wave to the downside, and we would have had most likely not an A, B, C structure, so just a W, X, Y. You can see this would only be three waves: A wave, B wave, C wave, instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the C wave. WXYs are basically 3, 3, 3 patterns. So the A wave as correction, the B wave as correction, and the C wave, well, not being a C wave, but being a Y wave with just 3 waves. Okay. But that's why we indicated here the support or trend reversal area, which the price used to turn around. Current price action only shows 3 waves up at the moment. I mean, we can count already 5 waves, but that's not on the time frame that's high enough. So at this stage, I would prefer this count where we say, let me see, we had, so what do we have? Okay, so I would say we had an A wave here, that would be my count, a B wave down, and we might be pushing up in a C wave. That, however, would be a fairly short C wave, and it would need to end, well, basically very, very shortly. Shouldn't push much higher. I mean, again, the break above resistance, because this is an ending diagonal most likely down, the break above resistance would only be an indication we have bottomed, but I would then start to count it as bullish. Yeah. Better confirmation we have bottomed will be a break above the wave 2 high here at 23.30. So I think at that point then we have to confirm. Until then it's just sort of an indication, right? So that's, we just need to understand that. From a bullish point of view, what I have here as an A wave could be a wave 1. This could be a wave 2, and we would now be in a third wave. But if that's the case, we need to see something like that. This, and this. To believe we have bottomed, I want to see 5 waves above resistance and then a 3-wave pullback. Because the problem is, if we don't complete the correction adequately with a 5-wave move in a C wave, it leaves us with that WXY structure that I indicated. And a WXY is not a pattern that can be trusted because it's an imperfect correction. It's not how it should be. It's valid, but it's just not, from experience, something that can be trusted. Therefore, if we have a WXY and we bottomed here already on Thursday, I prefer to wait for extended confirmations. Yeah, I want to see a little bit more confirmation of the price to confirm we have bottomed. Because very often, from my experience, when we have a WXY and we count it as a WXY, in the end it turns into an ABC in some way or form, right? So yeah, just want to highlight that. So here all the, and generally, as long as we're holding the 1778 level, the overall focus can be on the higher time frame to get a third wave rally. What we just looked at is really just how it could unfold on the lower time frame. But not much else happened, therefore we focus on the lower time frame. But yeah, that will be an interesting, we're now at an interesting decision point here today. Okay, that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.